Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 robotic window cleaners available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or the ultimate premium cleaner, we've got you covered. All product links are in the description below, so stick around to find the perfect solution for your window cleaning needs. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Tosima Window Cleaning Robot, the most affordable option on our list at just $59.99. This budget-friendly device offers a surprising level of functionality for its price point, featuring 2,800 PA suction power, edge detection technology, and app control. The built-in UPS ensures the robot stays attached to the glass for up to 30 minutes in case of power interruption, adding an extra layer of safety. It even comes with 6 pairs of washable cleaning cloths, making maintenance easy and economical. Design-wise, the Tosima is lightweight at just 2.64 pounds and has a compact disc-shaped profile. While it doesn't boast the sleekest aesthetics, its performance compensates for its utilitarian appearance. Users can switch between 2 water spray modes for customized cleaning, and it's compatible with smooth glass surfaces such as windows, mirrors, and glass doors. However, the Tosima struggles with deep cleaning and is best suited for light dust and smudges. Its suction power is adequate, but not as strong as higher-end models, and its app control lacks the intuitive functionality of pricier options. Overall, this is a fantastic entry-level robotic window cleaner for small spaces or occasional use, but it might not satisfy users with larger or heavily soiled windows. Coming in at number 4 is the Tosima Window Cleaning Robot W2, priced at $149. This mid-range option packs a punch with its impressive 3,800 PA suction power and AI-driven path planning. The Tosima excels at streak-free cleaning thanks to its microfiber cleaning pads and advanced edge detection technology. It's also equipped with anti-fall sensors, ensuring safety while cleaning vertical surfaces like floor-to-ceiling windows. The sleek and compact design allows it to access tight corners and edges, making it a versatile choice. The included remote control simplifies operation, and the removable cleaning pads are washable for easy maintenance. While its battery life is limited to 25 minutes, it's sufficient for smaller windows and mirrors. The Tosima is perfect for users who want reliable cleaning performance without breaking the bank. That said, it falls short in terms of advanced features like app control and multifunctional stations. Additionally, the suction power, while strong, can struggle with particularly dirty or greasy surfaces. For a device under $150, though, it offers great value and is ideal for residential use or small office windows. Sliding into the third spot is the ECOVACS WINBOT Mini Window Cleaning Robot, priced at $211.99. This compact powerhouse is designed for smaller windows and tight spaces, making it ideal for apartments or homes with unique window configurations. Its ultrasonic spray system ensures streak-free finishes, atomizing water into a fine mist for efficient cleaning. With a 9-stage protection system, including anti-slipping technology and intelligent sensors, you can trust this robot to clean safely, even on frameless or tilting windows. The WinBot Mini features 3 cleaning modes: fast cleaning, thorough cleaning, and spot cleaning, giving users flexibility for different needs. Its intelligent path planning and edge detection technology optimize cleaning coverage, achieving up to 99.5% coverage on even the hardest-to-reach areas. The rectangular design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, fitting seamlessly into any modern household. The downsides? Its corded design limits mobility compared to battery-powered options, and the 200-milliliter water reservoir may require frequent refills for larger cleaning tasks. Still, the ECOVACS WINBOT Mini is a reliable choice for meticulous, safety-conscious users who prioritize precision over speed. In second place is the ECOVACS WINBOT W1 Pro Window Cleaning Robot, a premium device designed for effortless and efficient cleaning. While its price isn't listed, it's packed with features that justify a higher cost. The W1 Pro boasts 2800 PA suction power and dual cross water spray technology, making it a top performer against stubborn stains. Its WinSlam 3.0 path planning system ensures thorough cleaning in 3 adaptive modes: quick cleaning, deep cleaning, and spot stain removal. This robot is equipped with edge detection sensors that work seamlessly on frameless glass surfaces, while the 60 milliliter water reservoir minimizes interruptions. The position memory feature is a game changer, as the robot automatically returns to its starting point after completing the cleaning process. With app control and push-button functionality, operating the W1 Pro is intuitive and hassle-free. The only drawbacks are its corded design and slightly bulky dimensions, which can make storage inconvenient. However, for users with large, heavily soiled windows or challenging cleaning scenarios, the ECOVACS WINBOT W1 Pro is a reliable and effective solution. Taking the crown at number 1 is the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni Portable Window Cleaning Robot, priced at $509.99. This premium model is a game-changer in the world of robotic window cleaners, offering advanced features that justify its high price tag. The WINBOT W2 Pro comes with a multifunctional station that serves as a control panel, charger, stabilizer, and portable storage, all in one. Its dual power modes allow flexible usage, whether plugged in or running on battery for up to 110 minutes. The triple nozzle wide-angle spray technology ensures thorough cleaning, while the upgraded WinSlam 4.0 path planning boosts efficiency by 30%. With 12-stage protection and intelligent climbing technology, this robot is built for safety and reliability on all window types, including frameless and tilting windows. Users can select from 5 cleaning modes via the app or the station panel, catering to diverse cleaning needs. The downsides? It's the heaviest model on this list at nearly 19 pounds, and its price is steep for casual users. However, if you're looking for the ultimate robotic window cleaner for large homes, offices, or commercial spaces, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this review helpful in choosing the right robotic window cleaner for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.